Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Pinterest to get a wallpaper for your Windows PC. As you can see, we're on Pinterest right now and there are multiple photos here just on the home page of multiple internet influencers such as Andrew Tate, Tristan Tate, LaMelo Ball, and Jordan Poole, Steph Curry, all those people. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can find a wallpaper for your PC on Pinterest so that you can have a nice and aesthetically looking desktop. So as of right now, this is our desktop wallpaper, quite nice, but if we do wish to change it, what we're going to write is aesthetic wallpaper PC in search, and as you can see, this will give us the aesthetic theme. And oh my god, the Jackboy wallpaper is absolutely beautiful. So in order to save it, all you gotta do is, I believe, press on this. This is share. So in order to download it, press on this and press on download image, and that is downloaded. So let's look for some more. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is go back onto this, and from here we can look at things that are similar to it. So Travis Scott, this is for like iPhone. Once again, some really nice, cool stuff. But I think I'm gonna stick with that. So once it is downloaded, I'm gonna open up the photo. And from here, as you can see, the photo's opened up. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna press on, where is it? So set as background. And now if I do minimize out of this, this is our background and I think it looks nice. So that is how you change your background slash wallpaper on Windows using Pinterest. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.